All right, I've got a horse set up here. I'm just going to try to get this off of this base. I found the rear leg that I was missing and the front leg I was missing. And they don't have much of a wire that goes into it. But anyway, I'm going to mess around with this and I'll be right back. Now this clay has been sitting here for, the clay that I put on this thing has been sitting here for, gosh, I don't know how many years. So the clay's gotten stiff, and a lot of the oil that was in the clay is evaporated. So what I need to do is try to dig down to the wood base I have underneath it. Or what have I got this on? Oh, this is foam. Did I make a foam base on this? I've forgotten what I did with this thing. So it's going to be a lot of discovery here. Yeah, that's what I did. I made a foam base. So I'm going to have to cut through it the best way I can. I can't find my little hammer. I've had this hammer for years and years, and somehow I've misplaced it. Yeah, there's the base. I'm thinking I'm going to have to dig out a hole. Let me lower this clay and I'll be right back. There's a bolt that's right in the middle of the base, or the thorax of this horse, and I've got to dig it out. There it is. And I've got to release the horse from it. I'm going to have to put another base support in this clay, because this is too long. The one that comes with the sculpture, or the armature. This is TruForm armature, by the way. You get these from Sculpture Depot in Loving, Colorado. You can see the bolts right there, and I've got to, I don't have a socket wrench, so I can't take it out with a socket wrench. I'm going to have to do it with a pair of pliers. There we go. Yeah, I can just get it with my hand now. It's an ingenious way of doing this, and I just got to negotiate the clay right out of there. I'm gonna have to cut at the ankle there. Oh, there we go. Now the horse is going to be standing in water, so I don't need the lower part of the leg, but I'm going to keep it on for now because I don't know how far down I'm going to be cutting it. Lay all the parts to one side. Wait, let me see what. Okay. Always fun to do this after the fact, after you've already created something where you were starting to do something different. I try to use a pair of vice grips to pull it out, but I can't do it. And I'm thinking what I'm going to do is take this lamp and heat up the rod and see if I can get it out that way. Okay, I got my lighter here. This is a electric lighter. There's a spark that goes between those two points, and that's what you light the candle with. If I can get, there we go. All right, I'll come back and see if that helps. It's going to take a little while. All right, I'm going to take the lamp away. And get my vice grip. Let's see if it's helped loosen it up any. Yep, it worked. I just got to get it out of there. Let's see. Oh, I got that. Oh, it's got another nut in there. Okay. That's why it's hung up. Because there's another nut inside. Let's see if I got that out. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm getting it out of the camera here. You can see the nut that's in there. There we go. Got it. All right. Huh. Is that a nut or that's the backbone of the horse? Now I got to move that backbone armature over that hole so that I can put a wooden dowel up in there, and that'll be the support for this clay. All right, that's going to have to do it for today, because I got to figure out what I'm going to do in the future. And I'm looking at the mess I've made. Let's see how wide this hole is. These armatures are wonderful armatures, though. Okay. Now I just need to get a nice wooden dowel, figure out how tall off the water it's going to be, how much of the horse will be standing probably about that much water. Look at the thing in focus here. I'll probably have the water come about that close to the belly of the horse, which I mean, I'll be cutting the leg off right there. Anyway, I just I wanted to use this armature. And the horse is going to be drinking from the pond that the horse is standing in. So I'm going to have to reposition the neck and head. There's going to be a lot of adjusting on this thing. All right, I'll have to do that next time. For now, I'm going to say goodnight and see you next time. All right, good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.